Mechanic, Warchild, come in. This is our respawn point, this oil drum here. This is Warchild calling. Mechanic, come in.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys situated?
EB, are you situated? We're good to go. We're ready to rock.
Okay, wait one. I'm going to check with my other squad. Hang on. Pete, come in.
Yeah, what's up?
Is the South squad situated?
Yeah, we're all good down here.
Copy that. Get ready because we're going to go game on momentarily. Questions, comments, guys? Okay. Definitely, we want to own these two objectives. If we can push through and pick off the third one, great. But let's try and keep this this killer diagonal going and box them in.
We got guys that are set to go for that first flag.
Well, whoever, I'm assuming, are you going to go for
Yeah, I'll go up
for N15? Okay, then I don't know. Do you guys want to why don't you guys grab the second one and then post up somewhere in and around? I mean, you guys are greenish, so that's actually perfect. You know, to use all that fucking tall grass and everything as cover, and then the rest of us, you know, I'll come out. I'll go and pick up the missile bunker, and then I'll push down the path past the cube van and go get down by the road. And you know, maybe Rich, you guys can come with me, and you know, the other guy, you guys can just kind of string out in between or something. What do you think? We'll try that initially and modify accordingly. Okay, Kevin, are you guys all set?
Ready to rock.
Pete, ready?
Good to go. Yeah, what's up?
Game on, game on, game on. Let's do it.
Hey, runner, get back here. You missed your spot.
We're orange, guys. We're orange. We're orange. North team has taken both the north objectives.
We have the center objective.
We're sending somebody for it. Don't worry about it. Rich, why don't you're going to pick that off and then cut roadside. I'll meet you at the road. David, move up. Get behind this inner set of tire bunkers. North team, no visual of any enemies on the road.
We have a guy at S7 in the southern area.
What's going on in the north, guys? I hear a lot of shooting.
Their whole team back here, Todd could come.
Do you guys need help, or are you all right?
got about 6-7 kills right in a row.
Outstanding, great work. Then there's a good possibility that they're going to try pushing out of the road next. So a couple of us will head roadside. You guys keep that area covered.
Roger.
We have the ridge base. I see orange on the ridge.
Roger.
Sorry, give him a minute. You and I will stay in here so that we can shift and support either way. Come on, get up here. Get up here. They're either going to try and make a push out of the road now, or they're going to try and come out of there again. Either one looks like maybe out of there again.
Green moving up through the swamp. We have one behind the school bus in the southern parking lot.
Just killed one green coming out of that wooded area in the north. A couple green just probed through that wooded area and are falling back toward the road. They may try to come out the other way.
Behind the tubes in the southern parking lot.
There's two behind the school bus.
Alright, I'm to the north of you guys in the parking lot. Guys by the school bus.
Oh, that was close.
Alright.
moved out.
How's it looking over on the road, guys, North team?
I killed one in the reeds, and a couple are going back to instant respawn.
Copy that. So far, I mean, we've really just, like, we got them totally contained.
Cover from the war source of the road, but it's a lot of area.
Oh, push up, dude. Dude, you don't need to be down that far unless you're... Are any of the south guys breaking out north?
Not really. They're in the reeds on the other side of the camper.
Copy that.
I'm in that area. Where are they exactly? I can try to flank them.
They're right in the reeds by the SWAT. And someone shot at me, but I can't visualize.
Okay, now this close guy right here, remember, he has a green top, but he's got tan. He's on our team. You know, be careful not to shoot. Yeah, with the cool mask, you're all right. Yeah, when he's only like this in the it's kind of hard to, you know. So just keep them. I mean, we got a guy or two up there. You know, just stay posted in here. I'm going to shift down a little bit and just get some eyes back here. Rich, do you need a hand down there?
Yeah, we do.
Do we have anybody up in Apache to keep eyes over that way?
We're headed to Apache now.
Okay, we've got a guy at S3, so they're up to here already. They're past the objectives. I don't mind giving them a little hand down here, but I don't want to dilute our forces when... What do we got down here?
Nothing. I mean, the 1 or 2 came to slot. We got 1 or 2 up there.